This is your sign that your life changes now. Recite and visualize these powerful affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. With each recitation, you strengthen and reinforce positivity in your thoughts. As your outlook improves, you will more effortlessly manifest your desires into reality. If you believe in spreading the gift of positivity and wellness throughout the world, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to Zenzoji. It helps our channel grow and reach others who can also benefit from it. Thank you. Let's begin. I am a spiritual being, connected to all that is. I have the capacity to access my inner wisdom and knowledge. My spirituality guides me on my journey in life. I affirm peace and love within me and around me. I honor myself for who I am and the strength of my spirit. I forgive myself for any past mistakes as part of growing spiritually stronger every day. Every day brings new learning experiences that enhance my spiritual connection with the universe. My faith fills me with energy and joy from deep within me. I practice gratitude daily to experience infinite blessings from the divine. I manifest my spiritual intentions into reality by believing and trusting in the power of affirmations. I am guided by the light and love of a higher power. No matter what situation I find myself in, I remember that there is beauty, peace, and harmony in life's journey. Every moment, I embrace my faith that all things are working for my highest good. My soul is illuminated with divine grace and understanding. With each breath I take, I honor myself for being an authentic expression of love in this world. I affirm the creative energy of life to manifest miracles within me. A deep calmness and peace radiates from my being. I am fulfilled by the beauty of nature, reminding me of its divine power. I find balance within myself to become one with the universe. My spirit is guided by a higher source as I rise above any doubt or fear that may arise. With each step I take, I affirm more compassion, understanding, and joy into my life. Wisdom flows through me as I explore new paths on my spiritual journey. Through affirmations, I open up my heart to unconditional love, which guides me in all aspects of life. The power of affirmations aids me in deepening my connection to the Divine Spirit. I am blessed with a strong sense of inner peace and serenity. I am filled with strength, courage, and faith to take on any challenge that comes my way. By recognizing the beauty in all things, I am taken closer to the source of spiritual understanding. I affirm the power of mindfulness to stay grounded in present moments and appreciate them fully. All experiences are meant to teach me something that will help me grow spiritually stronger every day. My affirmations become powerful intentions that manifest into reality with positive vibrations in my life path. I affirm love for myself and others as we all take part in the same cosmic journey of life. I affirm abundance and prosperity into my life as I stay true to my spiritual path. My affirmations become beacons of light that illuminate a pathway to greater inner peace and understanding. I am connected to the divine intelligence within me, which helps me manifest miracles every day. Every situation is an opportunity for growth and spiritual development as I continue on my journey of self-discovery. The power of affirmations create harmony between mind, body, spirit, and soul for all aspects in life. Understanding is gained with each affirmation as I discover new wisdom from within. My affirmations enable me to manifest the life I desire and bring clarity to my spiritual journey. I affirm self-love, trust, and faith into my spirit to discover deeper connection with the universe. By aligning myself with positive affirmations, I create a powerful vibration that leads me towards inner peace, harmony, and enlightenment. I affirm grace and gratitude into my life to manifest miracles from the divine source. With each affirmation, I become a powerful manifesto of spiritual energy that brings me closer to my true purpose in this world. Blessings of healing and transformation arrive through affirmations as I stay connected with my higher self. Abundance and prosperity flow effortlessly into my life as I recite positive affirmations every day. With gratitude, I send love and light out into the universe, which helps me manifest greater spiritual awareness in all areas of my life. I affirm that my spirituality is a part of me and will take me to higher levels of understanding and manifestation. All my affirmations are alive with the power of divine guidance, giving me strength to lead a fulfilling life. My affirmations bless me with clarity, awakening the spiritual truth within as I discover more about myself. I attract greater positive energy into my life, which helps me manifest miracles every day. As I affirm positive intentions into the universe, I am filled with faith and courage to create a life that aligns with my soul's purpose. I affirm that I am a spiritual being who is filled with love, light, and abundance, forever connected to the divine source of all creation. I manifest peace, joy, and harmony into my life as I stay true to myself on this journey of spiritual awakening. My affirmations are powerful statements that manifest greater understanding in the world around me and within me. I am awakened to the truth of divine unity and become one with the power of manifestation. I am filled with spiritual awareness. I recognize the true beauty within every experience in life. I carry an immense power which helps me manifest a life of abundance and joy. I affirm that I am an infinite being who is connected to the Divine Spirit, forever guided by grace and truth. My spirit is full of love and light, helping me create a life filled with peace and harmony. May my affirmations bring me ever closer to the true source of spiritual wisdom within myself. I open my heart to greater understanding as I manifest miracles in every aspect of my life. Thank you for participating in these affirmations. They are making you stronger each time you recite them. You are one with the universe and with the Zenzoji community. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. It helps the channel grow and spread positivity to people around the world. Thank you.